Good morning.
It is sunny. Good morning, sunshine.
Looks nice outside.
How about going to a water park, Lisa?
Sure. Let me get June and Jake ready.
Water park day. I like water. Yes! Let's get ready!
Let us make it quick, Lisa.
All right.
I love making bubbles.
Rinse, Jake.
Brushing done.
Does water spoil my braids? Dad, my hair has knots. You look even better with messy hair.
First one to get ready.
I am ready too.
Me too. I need my shoes.
I like your t-shirts.
Whose hats and cap are these?
My hat.
Yes, it is.
Cap on.
We are almost ready now.
Breakfast time. Can you prepare some toast, Mark?
Already taken care of, Lisa.
Orange juice. Plates. Juice tasted good.
Hope no one spills on table.
Whoops. We are done with breakfast finally. Towels are packed.
We all need some sunscreen.
Swimsuits packed? What else? Dad, do we have tickets?
Yes, I already kept them in my pocket.
My favorite goggles. Snacks.
All good.
Look, my water shoes are matching with my favorite car.
Shoes are packed.
Shoes
Shoes
on.
on.
All
set.
Door is locked.
Let's get in the car.
Mommy, let's go. I am so excited.
I am excited too. Let's get our baby girl buckled out. Shall we start?
Look, there are so many trees.
Entry gates close in 10 minutes.
Oh no! Do they not let us in? It's okay. Don't worry.
Oh no! Red light! We got 5 minutes.
Look, it's green now.
Look, I can see the water park now.
Ha ha ha, I see it too.
Yay! We are here!
Almost! Closing the gate!
Let's go. Hurry up.
Let's go faster to the counter.
Here are our tickets.
Let me open the gate for you all.
Finally!
Let me apply some sunscreen quick.
Life jackets can help you guys float.
Yay! We are all set to float with these life
jackets.
Hold tight, everyone! Hey! Very big splash! Yay! See you next time!
If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Your support helps us create more stories.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.